What's up, guys? Good morning. Today is Friday. I don't know, sometime in April the 25th. I'm leaving, traveling to New York today, Long Island, again. I have another work thing in Long Island, so we're gonna go to Long Island today. I gotta go pick up a rental car and all that jazz, but I'll do that at 10:30, so right now I have enough time to go to the gym. So I'm gonna go to the gym, get some steps in real quick, because I'm still sick, you know, I'm still feeling all kind of congested, so. Okay, I'm ready to go, but I can't get my car until 11, and it's 8:53, so probably going to sit down, maybe relax a little bit, maybe eat more food, and figure out how long it's gonna take to get there. So I got a 3-hour drive. Hopefully it's the same weather as I see here. Hoping and praying. But yeah, I gotta drive instead of through the Bronx, through Brooklyn. So we'll see how this goes. All right, we are heading to the Enterprise. Oh, they got the fountain up. We love Philly. All right, we got ourselves a little Toyota Camry. I like Toyotas. I like Camrys. The gas isn't full at all whatsoever, but it's fine. I gotta go back to my apartment now to go get my stuff. City driving, and city driving. Heck yeah, dude. Okay, so I just found a free bag of banana chips. They have no milk in them, so I took them. Like, it was all outside of the garbage bin, and I also have I got like it's like an organizer. So that's cool. But yeah, anyways, we're gonna get going. I'm sweating, I'm hot, and we're gonna have to stop somewhere for gas. So I think I'm gonna head to the hotel first because I'm gonna get to the school too early. So try to check in early. I don't know with the Hamptons. Usually I don't have that much luck with Hampton. Getting back on the road. Even though I'm sick, I still like doing this. I think it's like a fun little weekend trip, even though I'm working all of it basically. Okay, it's sunny outside. It's like 75. The windows are down. The spirits are high. Hopefully this will last for the whole weekend. I'm hoping, and here we go. We got this New Jersey Turnpike bridge again that we're staring us right in the face. Okay, so we have ran into an issue. The New Jersey Turnpike, part of it is closed, so now I have to find a way to get around it, and I'm not exactly sure if the map is rerouting me to that section or if it's rerouting me entirely. Like, I don't even know. So we're figuring this out. I forgot it's New Jersey and they have to fill up your tank for you. Oh boy. Well, he took my card though. I feel like this is all what the state is. It's just all traffic. New York, it's gonna take you hours to get somewhere. It's just always traffic. No matter where you go in New York, it's always gonna be traffic. So, yay. Okay, luckily we got to our hotel without any accidents. Almost got rear-ended, but didn't. I'm gonna go try and check in early and pee, and then we're gonna go head to ShopRite, and then probably by then, because I'm starving, it'll be time to go to the school. So, I don't even know how far away the school is, but right now I just need to pee. Okay, so plans changed. I'm going to get food now, because the guys that I'm working for competition, his card got declined, so I can't check into my hotel. So I'm just gonna go get food, honestly. I'm gonna drive to the grocery store first because I'm more worried about breakfast than lunch right now. Yeah. Okay, I got the essentials. I'm gonna grab some lunch real quick because it takes me 18 minutes to go get to the school. So I'm already hitting at like 3 and I gotta be there at 3:30, so. I'm eating sushi real quick. Like, oh God, this isn't really like together, jeez. And then I'm gonna go head to setup. I don't know if they're getting dinner or not, but it's pretty early, so I'll probably be able to get my own dinner. Also, Chipotle is like right down the street from my hotel, just like this place. California rolls all the way, baby. It's so busy here. I don't expect anything less. All right, so we have arrived at the school. Let's get the setup in. Okay, so I'm done for the day. It's 6 p.m. I'm gonna go grab some Chipotle for dinner and honestly go to bed early. So I'm just tired and you know, sick. I still have to check into the hotel, but I think I'm gonna go to Chipotle first. There's a football game going on in this middle school. Brings back the good old days. But yeah, I mean, the setup was nice. It wasn't rushed at all because we don't have competition today, which was fantastic. Yeah, everything is good. I'm ready to be at the hotel now, but I gotta get some dinner first. All right, let's go. Directions. I don't know how people got around without directions, honestly. Like, I'd be so lost. Also, another plus of this competition, everybody seems so nice. So, I'm excited because it's a short weekend. People are nice. I'm in New York. It might be Long Island, but, you know, I'm living it. I don't know, I have a job. I'm so happy about that. I have a job that I like to do, you know what I mean? Like, that's like gold in the world. Like, if you like your job, you've won at life. And I feel like I won at life when I have this job, so, yeah, I don't know. All right, here we go. Okay. We are in a room. All right, let's do a little tour. As always, you know, luckily I didn't really have to buy breakfast because they have breakfast at 6 a.m. which is nice because I don't have to be at the place till like 6:45, so I can eat breakfast. It only takes me like 17 minutes to get over there. I would say maybe 15 because there's traffic obviously now. But anyways, here's my room. All right, we got a lovely king bed. And a sofa? Question mark? I don't really know. A window with a view of whatever that store is. Okay, we got some grass and some trees, and wait a minute, you can see the sunset, kind of. Okay, look at this big full body mirror. Wait, yes. Okay, let's check out the bathroom. Ooh, the mood lighting. The mood lighting is giving. Oh, see, this is nice. Okay, we got, you know, all this stuff taped to the wall as always. Toilet paper, towels, and it's clean. Yeah, this is gonna be a nice little weekend. Nice little, Oh, look it, we get vineyards. Oh my God, this reminds me of California. Cause like, remember when I used to live here? I mean, it wasn't as green as this, but like, do you remember? I sure do. Okay, let's eat my chipotle. Okay, let's eat this. Only half, cause she does damage. And I'm gonna probably call my girlfriend. Ooh, we got some coffee. All right, what do we got down here? Okay, we got some like, we got 2 pods, which is, I think, enough for the weekend. Plus there's downstairs, so always nice. We got a little microwave, and we got a little, yeah, a little fridge, a little mini fridge. Okay, I'm having fun. I need a shower because I'm sweating. It's hot in that little thing. Let me take my shoes off. Let me be polite, okay? I don't like being in a hotel room with like shoes on because it doesn't give that homey vibe, you know? All right, I'm gonna eat because I'm hungry. Oh, that's nice. Perfect. It is literally, oh my God, I took such a hot shower that my face is like burned. I lost track. I was too sidetracked by that warm shower. So good. Relaxed like every muscle in my body. It is 7:16 right now, and I'm about ready to go to bed. I am just tired. Mostly because my body's still trying to like recuperate, basically. Tomorrow is gonna be a bit of a long day, and so is Sunday, but I'm prepared for it. I know what it's gonna be like. Nothing new, nothing different, nothing shocking or surprising. I'm making sure that I'm taking care of my body properly, especially because I'm like starting to get over a cold now. So, but yeah, my Chipotle was good. I ate half of it. You know what? I used to eat the whole bowl. And now I just physically can't. Like I get halfway and I'm just like, I'm full. And my stomach has shrunk. I feel like, you know, it's been from like traveling a lot. It's just like, you know, I don't eat much. Or even when I'm home, like I don't want to waste the money, so I just don't eat much. So my stomach has definitely like took, you know, a hit for sure. So with that, I'm gonna watch my new Netflix show because the new season of You came out, and also I've been watching The Gardener. So if you haven't been watching the show, I highly recommend. They're both like murder shows, so if you can't do like blood and guts, don't do it, but like, you know. I've also been trying to finish the Avengers series. Listen, there's like 27 Marvel movies, and I'm trying to get through them. Sometimes it's just hard because it's like the same superhero premise. Most people try to do like the Marvel run where they try to watch all the Marvel movies. I might do that, but like also I have other stuff to do. But yeah. Anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna chill. See you guys tomorrow where it gets exciting.
Are they expensive?